Hello and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be another haul, a Home Bargains haul. Now this is slightly different because this is cleaning themed today. Not done a cleaning themed haul before. So just a little bit of a background. I work full time, now spending a lot of time on YouTube. I've got a lot of hobbies, so I don't get much time for cleaning. So we do have cleaners come in once a fortnight because we've got a dog as well. And the new cleaning company that I've just appointed need me to provide cleaning products for them. Whereas the ones I've used in the past have brought their own, which I'm not too upset about. Obviously there's a bit of an additional cost, but at least it means they then use the products that I want them to use. So what I've decided to do is split upstairs and downstairs and make up two little caddies. Right, so the first thing I needed to buy was something to put the goodies into. I was looking for some sort of little caddy, but they didn't have any. So, thinking outside the box, got a couple of these. So these, I've got one of these, which I covered in another haul, a really big one, which I use for laundry. But these are, they look a bit white on screen, but they're sort of pale blue, two little mini laundry sort of baskets. Now, looking on the old receipt, it appears she's charged me for just one, but one of the 8-litre ones, which this clearly isn't. So that was £3.98. So I think these were £1.99 each. So that's fair enough. However she's put it through, I'm not bothered as long as I've not been overcharged. So I've got two of those to start with. Next product. So we have got quite a few toilets in this house. So I need one of these for each caddy, upstairs and downstairs. I normally use the Harpic 10 Plus, I think it's called. And there was a little old lady in Home Bargains who convinced me to try some of this. So it's the Domestos Power Fresh toilet cleaner. She went into quite a bit of detail about this, in that she prefers to use it of an evening when everybody is finished doing their ablutions in the toilet and leaves it overnight, and it creates a very nice fragrance. She also then told me she uses it for when anybody does a number 2. Just what you need to hear when you've nipped out on your lunch break. Too much information for me, which I've now shared with you. Anyway, I thought I'd buy a couple of these, £1 a piece. Next thing I thought I'd get two of were these. I do use quite a lot of wipes, but I'm trying to get away from them because of the whole environmental friendly notness. But I did buy 2 packs of these for £1, and these are antibacterial surface wipes in apple fragrance, 50p per packet. I love the equivalent of these in floor wipes. The apple ones I get from Aldi are absolutely lovely, but these are just the small sort of surface wipes, which are a lot smaller. Just reading through the receipt, she did actually charge me back on the laundry baskets. They are 8-litre. They look a bit smaller than that, but there were 2 at £1.99. So I wasn't overcharged, undercharged. She actually charged me correctly. So again, something I've got 2 of. I've got a lot of glass and mirrors in this house. I love anything shiny, and I'm a bit vain, so there are quite a few mirrors around. So this Windowline was on offer, and this is for glass and shiny surfaces. This was on offer at 99p a go. So for the upstairs caddy, a bottle of this is a whopper, 750ml, the Astonish Mould and Mildew Blaster. Now I've used this before and it's actually changed packaging. I've just realised I had it in a different package, that's why I didn't think I'd had it before, but checking in the cupboard I've got some, and it's really good stuff. And this was only 99p for 750ml. I knew I had some old Astonish, so this is what it looked like previously, so the packaging's changed quite a bit. Bit of elbow grease. Everybody on Mrs. Hinch's cleaning pages went mad for this stuff. This costs different prices at different places. You can get it between, I think, 79p to £1. And this is a brilliant degreaser, so this is great to have for, especially in the kitchen really, where you've got your cooker and oven and that sort of thing. We've got a gas oven top which has got 6 rings on it. It's quite big, so this will be good for that. In Home Bargains came in this time at 89p. Can't have any cleaning without any Flora. Now A few of the Flora fans will be going bonkers because I've took the packaging off this and it's now classed as naked. That's what they call it. This one's Hello Spring, and this is 120ml, 99p. That's quite fragrant. A lot of them are very floral. I always get the urge to give it a quick sip. It smells like it should be some sort of liqueur or alcohol. Yeah, I need not to be doing that, but that will go in the downstairs one, I think. In fact, no, I might throw one in each because they're good to go down sinks, drains, that sort of thing. Disinfectant, which you can dilute quite a lot, actually. You only need a tiny little bit of this, 1 in 40 to go with water. A lot of people use Flora to clean. It's not, it's a disinfectant. It's not a cleaning product, and I've had a previous cleaner that used this to clean virtually the house, and it was covered in smears everywhere. The work surfaces, the floors, it was just smeared, and she couldn't understand why. I wasn't very impressed. Dual all-purpose cloths next, so these will be split between the two. 10 of these, 49p, can be used wet or dry. So to go with said Windoline, we've got glass cloths, 1 in each packet, 39p a go, and these are microfiber glass cloths, remove dust and dirt with ease. More cloths, microfiber cloths this time, and in this you get, again, the Power Action brand. You get a 4-pack for 99p, so I shall split these between the two because I don't want anybody wiping my toilet and wiping my work surface with the same cloth, if you don't mind. Thank you. For the upstairs caddy, a bit of Sif bathroom, 99p. This is ultra fast. Not used this one before, so I know Sif's a pretty decent brand, but I'm hoping that'll be okay. I have got something else downstairs that's got some bleach in it. Trying to think which one I've got. In fact, yeah, I've just bought something that I probably didn't need, but I'll pop that in the upstairs caddy. I knew I had some of this in the cupboard. This was from Home Bargains for 99p, and this is the one I was on about. This is a flash with bleach, and this is tough stain removal for, did I just say 99p? This can be used, well, it's quite a multi-purpose really, but mainly in the bathroom and showers. More cloths. I've gone a bit cloth mad here. This is 49p for Multi, whatever the brand that is, never heard of that. And these are 3 multi-use cloths, so they can share those between them. You can't go to Home Bargains without picking up some Star Drops. I've not tried this one before. This is Leather Clean and Feed, 99p, 750ml, that's decent. So this says it's designed to penetrate, I hate that word, dirt and grime and feed the leather as it's being cleaned. We've got quite a lot of leather sofas in this house, so if they're feeling a bit peckish, hopefully they're going to get fed. Right, the pink stuff. Everybody loves a bit of pink stuff. Got a couple of these. This is a new product that they've brought out. I think the pink stuff started doing washing liquid, and then now this, which is a multi-purpose. No, it's not multi-miracle. It's the Miracle multi-purpose cleaner. Streak-free, sparkling clean, tough on grease and grime. 99p. Right, let's see what this is used for, because I'm quite intrigued. Our versatile multi-purpose cleaner spray for hard surfaces is tough on stains, this word again, penetrates and removes grease and grime, leaving shiny clean results. So I suppose that can be used on most work surfaces really, and most different surfaces except for wood. I've popped this one in. This isn't at Home Bargains, but because I've not got another antibacterial spray within this group of goodies, I've sneaked in this. This is a Method Antibac in the rhubarb, which is lovely. And these are quite expensive, but you can get them on offer at Tesco or so supermarkets. I think you can get 3 for £6, but normally they're £3 each. So I'll pop that one in the downstairs caddy. Another Astonish. This is a stainless steel cleaner. I bought this previously. I didn't get this on this haul. that's why it's being used a bit, but just for completeness of the caddy, this was 99p from Home Bargains. A couple of floor cleaners next. We've got tiles in the kitchen and wood laminate through the dining room and hall and lounge. So £1 a piece for these. Sif floor cleaner, and then more star drops, and this is for laminate and wood floor. So you just dilute those down and wash away or mop away. They're pretty decent, aren't they? A litre each for £1 a go. Very good value, those two. So for a bit of polishing, this beast of a can. I'm not sure if this is going to be a bit crappy, actually. Zanto brand. Wax and Shine Furniture Polish. 79p for that whopper. 475 millilitres. Mega Fill 6-in-1 can. These products don't have promise you a lot of stuff, don't they? So the 6 are cleans, nourishes and protects. For silky shine to your wood. For fresh, just polished aroma. Zaps dust and fingerprints. Prevents watermarks and rings. Oh, number 6, repels dusts and allergens. Beautiful. And then finally, took the wrapper off this. I love these. I need to get some more. I've only got one, I think. I'm just trying to see, looking where I was stored another one of these, but I think I gave one to my mum. My mum gets mentioned a lot in these videos, doesn't she? Telescopic little jobby to get rid of any cobwebs. £1.99. So that's it. That's the haul done. Spent quite a bit of money on that lot. In the region of nearly £40. But hopefully that will last for a good few months, and now my cleaners will have all the products that they need to get my house nice and sparkly clean. So I hope you've enjoyed watching that video. I like doing that. It's a different sort of haul. I will show you some pictures what the caddies look like. Oh, and I forgot to say, I've made some little stickers to go on them upstairs and downstairs. We've got one of those little dynamo machines. So that's the video done. Be great if you'd like to subscribe to the channel. If you just hit a little button down there. If you've already subscribed, thank you again for watching. And I know a few of you are starting to support me along, getting a lot of regular messages, which is brilliant. Sort of building these sort of little relationships, which is lovely. I do try to upload between 2 or sometimes 3 videos a week. As I said earlier on, I do work full time, so it's a case of fitting it in when I can. So I'll see you again on another video soon. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning. Ooh. So here they are, just all split up. The person who's got the bottom row, the person who's got the bottom basket seems to have a lot more goodies in there, but there's a lot of different surfaces and, well, yeah, the flooring's a lot different. You've got work surfaces, you've got toilets, you've got mirrors, glass, whereas upstairs it's more bathrooms, glass, mirrors still.